to our next lesson. Today I'll be showing you how to copy and move files using the cp and the mv command. Okay, these commands are the basic commands everybody should know while working on a Linux system. They are pretty basic kind of file system management commands, but they are absolutely essential and they are very good with doing a lot of things, especially if you want to install things and move things in between directories. First, we would use the cp help command. I just want to show you how the cp command works. Like the cp help command just basically explains how you can work with the cp command. It's almost the same thing as the that's the manual command. So you see the CP options, dash T source directory. You see mandatory arguments to long options and mandatory for short options. You see the A shows this, shows you attributes, it shows you the force. Say if an existing destination file cannot be opened, remove it and try again. Like all these extensions, it shows you like the extensions you can use with the cp command, like cp-f, cp-a. It depends on what you specifically want to work on. Okay, so let's just go straight to using the I'll clear my screen right now. Let's go straight to using the cp command. First, like if I want to copy a file from a certain directory, I have to change this directory to that directory. Like now I'll be working on the directory documents. So I will cd documents, enter. Yeah, as you can see here, we are now on the documents directory. Alex to show you the content of the directory. These are the contents of this directory I have here. So now I want to copy this thumb.jpg into a different folder. I'm going to create a new folder for it. So I'll use the cp command, cp thumb.jpg. Then I want to move it to, I'm creating a new folder for it. So copy dot jpg. So I'm just telling my system copy tom.jpg into this folder, and I enter and ls again. Like you can see here, I've copied tom.jpg into this folder. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you, you can also um, move you can also copy files in between directory. Let's say we are now on the documents directory. I want to copy tom.jpg into my desktop. So the command I will use is copy, that's the cp tom.jpg. Then I'll use this little sign here. The sign is on the far left of your computer, slash, then I specify desktop, sorry, desktop. You can see slash. Okay, if I want to move it to if I want to create a folder in my desktop directory, I can continue and specify the name of the folder. So right now I won't be doing that. I'll just click enter. Then I'll go to my desktop just to confirm if this file has been sent to my desktop. Like you see, you go here, it comes down to the folder. open it, you can see here I have the tom.jpg copied to my desktop. So that's basically how it works. You can move, you can use the cp command to move um, folders from one directory to another directory. So you saw earlier the cp help command showed us many options, but the only options I will cover is the dash r. The dash r, like the cp help, use I'm going to copy an entire document using the cp help, sorry, the cp-r command. I'll use cp-r, okay, cp-r, then I copy tom.jpg, like I'm copying the entire folder to our desktop. So what I'll do is, okay, let me copy chimaju.txt. Chimaju.txt. I'll copy it to my desktop. I'm copying this entire folder to my desktop. So what I will do is cp.r chimaju.txt. Then I use this little sign here, slash. I'll copy it to my desktop. You can see I enter. Let's go back to my desktop to check if the document is here. Okay, we can check here as well. Sorry, not here. Like you can see here, chimaju.txt is now on my desktop directory. So let me go to my. This is another way. Cd dot slash desktop. I want to go to my desktop now. Enter. You can see we are now on my desktop directory. Then I ls. You can see this is another way to check the documents we just sent. Instead of going manually here, you just use the cd docs command. Then you specify the directory you want to go to. Then it will bring you back. So I'll just cd dot. It will take me back to the my normal the normal directory I was using earlier. So now the next command I'm going to show you is the move command. Let's start with let's clear this out. Starting with the mv help. The mv help. You see here, it just shows you the same thing. The mv command works almost the same way as the cp command. It moves documents, it moves folders from one directory to another directory. You can actually copy files from one directory to another directory. So the mv help will show you everything you need to know about the mv command. Let me just go ahead and clear the screen. Okay, let's say we want to move a file like chimaju. Let's say we want to move a file chimaju.txt. it just works the same way as the CP command. Just move slash documents. Oh my god. Completing history. Okay, clear this out. Clear. Okay, sorry about that. I want to move. Use this. I want to move chimadu.txt to a different directory like we did earlier. Desktop slash. Okay, tom dot jpg. Let's see if this works. To desktop, and there should be documents. So I'm moving this to desktop. Okay, so I've moved this document into my desktop. So what we do is cd desktop. Okay, let's just do it manually. System is a bit laggy today. You can see the document is just basically here. It has the same name. That's why it didn't copy twice. So the document has been moved here already.